Good morning everyone. Welcome in computer class of 7th standard and we are doing chapter number 9 using list, images and links. In our previous class we have learned inserting images, the image tag and its attributes. So students, in today's class we will learn about the linking web pages. Under linking web pages, the anchor tag and its attribute, images as links, using image as a background, creating an email link. So start with the first topic, linking web pages. Students, you know a website consists of a number of web pages that give you access to the related information. HTML renders a feature of linking these web pages together, and this feature is called hyperlinking. Using these hyperlinks, one can open any linked web page on the internet. There are two types of linking. One is internal and second is external linking. Internal linking means when one part of a web page is linked to another section on the same page. It is called internal linking. And external linking, when one page is linked to the another web page or website. It is called external linking. Next is the anchor tag. In HTML, the anchor tag A within angular brackets is used to mark the text as a hyperlink, which a user can click to display the document anchored to it. Being a container tag, it requires closing tag, angular brackets with / to mark the end of the text or images. Now you can see the syntax of this tag. Angular bracket start A href. Here href is an attribute of anchor tag. We can use this attribute under anchor tag, which defines the document to which the link leads. Is equal to, in double quotes you can give any value like it points to another website, it points to a file, it points to an email address. Here you can give any website address, any HTML page or any file address or any email address. And then angular bracket close. Here I have written click here. In this syntax, click here is worked as a hypertext. Hypertext means text which contains links to information on the same web page or some other web page. Means when you will click on this text, it will open the next file. Any page, any file, any email address. Browser display this text as a underlined and colored. Now let's see the practical. Now students, I'm going to open my page in Notepad. Right click over there, open with Notepad. Now after marquee tag, I'm going to type anchor tag, start angular bracket A, then give some space, write down the attribute of anchor tag href is equal to, and then start double quotes, and here you can give the file name like you can see on the desktop. I am having one file with rose name. This is HTML file. Now open again Notepad and write down the file name over here. Like my file name is rose.html. This is HTML file. So we have to write down the extension of the file. Double quotes close, then angular bracket close. After that, write down the text over here which you want to show on your web page. Like I want to show rose garden. Now see the output of this tag. Before that, we have to close the anchor tag. Close this anchor tag. Now save. Press Ctrl S from your keyboard. Now see the output. Right click on the web page. Open with Internet Explorer. Now here you can see hypertext, that is rose garden, and when you will click on this rose garden, it will show the rose HTML file. Now I am going to click it, and here you can see the color of the text. Color is blue and text is underlined, so it means this is a hypertext. And click over there. Now you can see when you will click on that rose garden hypertext, it will show the next file, that is a rose.html. Means we have created the linking using anchor tag. Next is image as links. Students, an image can also be used as a hyperlink to another document. Like in place of text, we can insert the image. Let's see the practical. Now here I have again opened my coding in Notepad. Now here you can see in the place of text where I have written the hypertext is rose garden. In the place of rose garden, we can insert the image. Like how we can insert the image? Using image tag. So angular bracket start, write down img src is equal to, in double quotes write down the image name and then angular bracket close. Now our image is on the desktop. See, this is my image types. If you don't know the extension of the image or any file, you can see using the right click and then click on properties. Now the type of the file is PNG file. So open the Notepad again and write down the image name under double quotes. So image name is types.png. Now here I have attached rose.html in anchor tag. I have written the rose.html in anchor tag. Now I want to change this page. In the place of rose garden, I am having one more page, that is the name with computer. So I am going to write down the name computer here in the place of rose garden. Computer.html. This means when I will click on this picture that I have inserted, then it will open the computer.html page. Let's see the output. Press Ctrl S. Double click on the web page. Now here you can see this image is inserted in place of text. Now click over there. Now here computer.html page is opened. So here in the place of text I have inserted image. So image is working as a link. Now next is using image as a background. Students, we can use any image file as a background of a page. This we can achieve by using the background attribute of the body tag. Means under body tag we have to use the background attribute. Let's see the practical. Now this is our Notepad window. This is a body tag. Under body tag I have already used one attribute, that is BG color, and now I am using background color. Give some space. You can also remove the BG color, background color you can remove, and or you can also give. In the place of BG color, I am going to give the background attribute is equal to, here you can type the image name, like on the desktop I am having one image, that is, now I am going to take this one, Rose Garden 1. You can also copy the name using Ctrl C and then open the notepad window, paste it over there, and dot JPG and double commas close. Press Ctrl S, save your document. Now see the output. Now double click on the web page. Now here you can see the image is set as a background. In the coding you have seen I have removed the BG color attribute, because if both of these attributes are used in an HTML page, the background image will appear on the top of the background color. So I have removed that BG color attribute. Now next is creating an email link. You can create a link on a web page, like in the place of text or image you can write any other text, that when you will open your notepad window, write down angular bracket start, anchor tag, href, its attribute is equal to double quote start, write down mail to function, and then put colon. Here write down the email address to whom you want to send your mail, like I want to send my mail on this email address. Write down the email address and then double quotes close, angular bracket close. Now here write down the hypertext, like here I have written this one, and then close the anchor tag. Save your work using Ctrl S. See the output. Double click on your web page. Now you can see this is your hypertext. When you will click on this link, the default email program will open and display the specified email address in the two fields you have mentioned. I'm going to click over there. Here you can add your account and your email address automatically added. So this is the way to create an email link. So students, this is all about of today's class. Here you have learnt about the linking, anchor tag and its attribute, images as links, using image as a background, and creating an email link. So students, do the practice of these things at home. Thank you.